Hi, my name is Alberto. I'm 39. I come from Santander in Spain, and I work in HeliService in Emden. I started aircraft maintenance in Santander, in my hometown. I started in HeliService in March 2015 as an apprenticeship. Then I was hired as a mechanic, and after that I got my license. I received a type rating BK117 C1 and Aviation. The biggest challenge for me was to learn German 8 years ago. That was very challenging for me. We work in helicopter always in pairs, and the duplicate inspections there are very important, just for safety. Safety reasons, don't overlook some things. 4 eyes look more than 2. Yeah, I like work with helicopters because in aviation you have to work in the highest standards and do everything super properly. Perfectionist, indeed I am. In cleaning, most of all. When I have time off in Emden, I like to do some exercise, jogging, and from time to time I have some beers with colleagues. Yeah, I think that's the best part of the company, because here the environment is very nice. Nice people. Very good team, very good people, easy going. I go home every 21 days. I'm in a 21-21 roster, and that's the good thing of this job, that I work here 21 days and then I can be at home 21 days. At home, I'm also very perfectionist in doing the washing up and so, because I'm very picky. Thank you, see you later. Action!